Hi student, welcome to the Federal Board Chemistry. After the formation of salt, today we will discuss the uses of salts. That what are the uses of salt? These are very important, and we have to understand that in daily life what are the main uses of salts, and how the salts is used in industries and in various fields of life. Today we will start from the uses of salts. That are the following uses of salts. These are salts are uses in the preservation of food, avoiding from the spoilage of food. We use the salt in order to preserve the food. Number second, tanning, dyeing and bleaching. Salts are also used in tanning, dyeing and bleaching. What is tanning? The conversion of skins into leather is known as tanning. It is a process in which the skins are just converted into the leather for the production of leather. This term is known as tanning. Now the third number is the production of pottery, soap and chlorine. Salt is also used in the production of pottery, salt and soap and chlorine. Now the fourth number step is today the salts are used widely in chemical industries. If you have any questions regarding this one topic that we have just delivered to you, you can ask in the comment box. Now in the next chapter of the Federal Board Chemistry class 10, we will discuss the organic chemistry. Next chapter will be organic chemistry, chapter number 11. The topic will be define organic chemistry, what are organic compounds, and we will study its diversity, the properties of organic compounds, the characteristics of organic compounds. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.